Is the intaglio printing press. It exerts thousands of pounds of pressure, creating the distinctive raised texture you feel on every $100 bill.
The importance of allowing the ink to dry completely between printing stages, a crucial step to prevent smudging and ensure crisp, clear images.
These subtle security features are embedded during the papermaking process, only becoming visible when held up to the light, revealing a portrait matching the bill.
The sheets undergo another round of stringent quality control and inspection after the front-side printing. Any sheets with detected error.
The third printing stage involves the application of the Federal Reserve Seal, Treasury Seal, and serial numbers. The
Freshly cut and inspected banknotes are then stacked into straps of 100 notes. The prompt explains the standard bundling unit for currency. The bricks of currency are then sealed into bundles of 4 bricks, 4,000 notes. These bundles are the standard unit shipped to Federal Reserve banks.
Check the thermal overlay on level 2, grid reference C-4.
Confirmed. Running diagnostics now.
The camera focuses on the automated guided vehicles, robotic carts that transport pallets of currency.
worn-out bills are returned to the Federal Reserve and then sent to the Bureau of Engraving and Printing for shredding, preventing them from re-entering circulation.
If we integrate the color-shifting filaments at this layer,
the security is significantly enhanced.
I agree.
The subtle movement in the hologram.
The presses apply the backgrounds and finer details. While intaglio provides the main image, other offset printing techniques add subtle.
This magnetic ink allows vending machines and currency counters to authenticate and rapidly count the money.
The numbering process is re-emphasized here. A close-up shows the unique combination of letters and numbers in the serial code, including the star note designation. The individual cut notes are then passed through another automated system that stacks them into their initial bundles of 100, ready for strapping.
The color shifting ink in the lower right changes from copper to green when tilted. This is very difficult to replicate.
It begins at the Bureau of Engraving, where the Federal Reserve orders new notes, overseeing their distribution to member banks across the country. A detailed look at the Treasury seal, featuring the scales of justice, a key, and a chevron with 13 stars, symbolizing the original states. The Federal Reserve seal, a black circular seal on the left side of the front of the note, is highlighted, with its letter and number.
The microprinting here is incredibly sharp. This is what we look for, the crucial deterrent against counterfeiting.
Check the temperature on auxiliary motor 5.
Reading steady at 75 Celsius.
All good here.
This small letter and number below the plate position indicate the specific printing plate used to create the bill.
container is secured. All units hold position.
Okay, easy now. Thumbs up, let's lock it down.
The printing process is quite complex, utilizing these massive high-speed presses.
And the threads are embedded during the paper stage?
Exactly.
As you can see here, the cryptographic security layer is embedded directly within the molecular structure itself, making it virtually impossible to counterfeit.
The red and blue fibers in the currency paper are once again featured, this time being examined under a microscope to emphasize.
Here are the manifests, Chief.
Seals checked out, we'll take it from here.
The Federal Reserve receives and processes the currency in high-security vaults, then distributes the cash to member banks within the district.
The series date, seen here on the 100 and the 20, tells us when the design or signing officers last changed, acting as a historical marker on each note.
Is the unwavering trust embedded in every dollar.